This tutorial will involve the portfolio options of both the mobile and desktop version of Precision. It will teach you how to easily create, edit, and then save any portfolio you want to create on our software. The first thing you need to do is look for the portfolio button on the top menu. It's the second one on the right from the home page. Once you click it, you can see our Hotstocked portfolio with recommendations for stocks, and just above it is where you set up your own portfolio.
That sounds easy enough.
After you enter the tab, you just need to click on the Add New Portfolio. And you can add as many ticker symbols as you want by entering them down here and clicking Add Symbol.
Okay, let's say I make a list with 5 companies right now. Is that all I can do with the portfolio? Make a list?
No, we designed the portfolio specially so you can edit it to suit your needs and preferences. You can sort the stocks by criteria, whether it's the highest or lowest probability rating, or any of the others listed. You can add even more criteria by clicking the Add Criteria button. And you can remove the ones you added by clicking on them again.
That sounds great, but this side slider really looks too long.
That's not a problem. We made it so you can adjust the places of any of the criteria by enabling you to drag and arrange them in any way you want.
What if I want to research one of the companies? Do I have to do the whole thing again when I come back?
Portfolios and the content inside them are always saved. However, if you want to save the way you arrange things, you need to click on the Save View button. Also, if by any chance you decide to check another tab on Precision, we placed a function that allows you to detach and still have a portfolio page around while looking at the tab. You can do that by clicking on the symbol in the top right.
One of the columns is cut off. I can't see everything.
You can resize it by clicking and dragging on this little triangular marker over here.
Okay, now I can see everything. What about the Edit Transactions button? That looks like the most important feature.
The Edit Transaction button can be used in 2 ways. We wanted to give you something to track all the positions you've made. You can do this by clicking on the Perspective menu on the top and choosing the Performance option. This gives you the view where you can input at what price and how many shares you bought on which date.
You mentioned 2 ways. What's the second?
You can do the same by clicking the companies you want and then clicking Edit Transactions. Once there, you just need to double click on the value you want to change and then input the number. Editing in the Performance view works in exactly the same way. You simply double click on the value and input the number.
Can I access this information on the mobile version too?
All you need to do is log in with your Hotstocked Precision desktop account to sync up the data.
Okay, I did that. Then now I should get my portfolios down on the portfolio screen, right?
Yes, once you open the Portfolios menu, you will get a list of all the existing portfolios. You can create a new one by tapping on New on the upper left. The Edit button on the right allows you to delete, rename, and rearrange the portfolios as you see fit. The moment you enter an existing portfolio, you can do several things.
Like what?
You can click Edit again, and from here you have the same options as the portfolio list. And an additional one called Detailed View. Detailed View shows you many of the criteria from the PC version and lets you sort stocks in much the same way.
I think I get it. What should I do if I get stuck or have any other questions?
We would love to hear from you. On the desktop version, all you need to do is click on the symbol on the upper right. And on the mobile version, all you need to do is tap on More and go to Feedback. In both cases, you will get a feedback form. Anything you type will go straight to us and we'll answer any questions within 1 business day. Thanks again for trying our software and happy trading.